guys, finish this video because this house is very large with 14 rooms with 15 toilet and bath. And you know kung magkano po ito? Watch this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so here, nandito tayo ngayon sa Remilville, dito po sa Noveleta, Cavite, dito sa mga mayayamang lugar guys. So meron tayong bahay dito na napakalaki at napakadaming partitions at napakadaming mga rooms, which is maganda siya for business or office staff. Anyway, so featuring you with this 480 square meters office building with can accommodate 5 carport, car garage. So it has 14 bedrooms with 15 toilets and bath. Well, actually guys, this house is very large. And check natin muna yung other rooms. Okay guys, ang laki. So this is your garage area. Actually guys, what makes this different, because this is a house with apartment. So this one, no? Meron kang apartment dito sa likod na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na butas. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 8 butas. Ang laki. And then, pwede siyang paupahan. Ang maganda dito guys, bawat butas meron siyang kitchen area and then toilet area. Look at this. Now this one is the toilet area. So maganda po itong investment for may bahay ka na, may paupahan ka pa. So ang ganda ng mga bahay guys. And then dito sa likod, this is your wash area. Look at this, no? Ang laki. Okay. So the check again. Sorry. But so, 8 po yung room. 8 butas siya guys. And of course, maganda siya kung mayroon kang opisina at marami kang mga tao. At least, nakikita nyo may kanya-kanyang toilet. Tingnan nyo po ito guys. So, bukod dito sa mga rooms, so 8 rooms, meron pa po ditong separate toilet. Ayan po guys. Which is, kung mayroon po kayong company na or office, this building is maganda. Okay, check natin naman yung buong bahay, yung loob ng bahay. Alright guys, so upon entering the house, you will welcome this very nice balcony. So, yung bato po dito is mga marble type. And of course, may mga switches na yan siya. And what makes this nice, because the main door is double. Look at this. It's a double door. Check natin yung pinaka-bahay. So this is a newly constructed house. At binago lahat yung mga floor tiles. And then, na-repainting po siya. At saka na-renovate. So bagong-bago yung bahay na ito. And of course, this is your living area. And dito po sa ibaba, meron kang isang malaking room. So, ayan ang ganda, ang laki pa. So, tamang-tama siya kung mayroon kayong mga negosyo. Lalo na kung mayroon kayong maraming employee. So, itong building na ito, at least may bahay ka na. Meron ka pang office. So, ayan, toilet and bath dito sa ibaba. Okay, then let's check. Wow, ang laki. And look at the stairs. It's very classic. Ang ganda. And dito sa ibaba, still you have another room. Medyo makalat lang siya. Hindi ko isama yung features na iba. But still, kaya po sa mga queen size. So, pwede po. And of course, dito po, sa ibaba, you have this kitchen area. So, ayan. So, under renovation po, then another room here. So, all in, kapag ito ng rooms, so it has 14 bedrooms with 15 toilet and bath. How come? Naging ganun kadami? because this unit is intended for a commercial building. Okay, check natin sa itaas. Okay, so if you are familiar with the Oro Plata Mata, then let's check na. Oro Plata Mata. 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 Oro Plata. Nice. Welcome to the second floor. Okay, so dito sa second floor, you have this nice hallway. Look at this, guys, no? Ang ganda. Tama-tama talaga to siya pag meron kayong mga negosyo, no? At mga staff. So this is your hallway. So sa second floor, you have this common CR. Ayan. Then, sa itaas po, meron ka dito 5 rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 rooms. So this is the one room with CR again. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, wala pa siyang mga ilaw because is ongoing construction pa ito. Ayan. Actually, it has ilaw na. Okay. Alright, so gusto niyo mong malaman kung how much pa itong napakalaking building na ito, guys, with more rooms, no? So they are selling this unit for 20 million pesos. Ayan siya, guys. With a lot area of 480 square meters, with 14 rooms, with 15 toilet and bath, with 5 car garage. Laki. Okay? Check naman natin dito. This is another room. Again, it has toilet and bath here. Wala pa po tayo sa master's bedroom, guys, ha. Still, ang ganda. So if you have friend na may mga negosyo, well, this building po, lalo na kung nandito sa malapit sa Manila, ito po is i-recommend natin sa inyo. Okay, let's check the other room. This is the master's bedroom. Ayan. So this one is the master's bedroom, which has the access going to the balcony. Ayan. And of course, it has toilet and bath. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, guys. Malaki. Maganda din yung toilet niya. Ayan. Okay. But before ng pinaka toilet and bath, no? Ay yung pinaka balcony po. Check natin yung isang room pa po. And then, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Alright, guys, this one is another room with steel toilet and bath. Look at this. Wow. Ang ganda, ang laki ng bahay. Tsaka ang laki, ang lawak. No? Tamang-tama siya pag may mga negosyo. And this one is a family hall dito po sa itaas, which you have the access going to the, this one is the common balcony. Alright. The question is, pwede ba itong gawin sa Anyan or Until Grand Village? Is the house and the house is pwede. Pero pag may apartment ka sa likod, is hindi pwede. So I might recommend na if you wanted to have a commercial and residential area, so bibili tayo ng private property. But this house po, at least makakatipid kayo kasi nandito na lahat. And then paglabas nyo dito, pure gold noveleta lang po siya. Alright, so again, fini-feature natin ito because this is a request, no, from our friend na as a gesture of compassion and help, no, at least makahanap tayo ng may intention na gustong bumili ng ganitong property. Alright. Ang laki. Okay, let's check the master's bedroom balcony here. At ang maganda dito, guys, no, abot mo na yung mga mangga. Look at this. Ang nice. Wow. Oh, now. Ang ganda, no? Ang laki. So, malawak at malapat. So, this will be your family area again or balcony. Is, kung may mga gathering kayo or may birthday, pwede nyo pong i-celebrate here. Meron kayong large event, no, with your family or big event with your family. So, itong bahay na ito, guys, is talagang kulang kayo. Ibig sabihin ng kulang kayo. Because sa laki ng bahay na ito, guys, hindi nyo siya kayang lamanan at unless you are 70 people. Ang laki, no? Kaya ang dami niya. Alright, so once again, my name is Ray Miliana, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village, and Anyana, see you in my next video.